Chief Engineer, Engineer Jerome Pabe.
Ay.
He'll be the one to conduct the orientation on how our process is there.
Ako rin sa'yo gagawa.
Gagawin report. Okay. Give the floor to Engineer Pabe.
Okay.
Notes yun.
Exam.
Pang notes yun.
Exam ka po kaman.
What you see from here are two companies operating. The power plant there is that belongs to LPC.
Bato na hugaw?
And the steam field here is operated by us, Energy Development Corporation. So what we basically do is Napocor produces electricity, while EDC sells Napocor the steam they need to